Welcome to Buckingham Estates, where luxury meets convenience in this exclusive gated community. I'm Sarah McDuffie with Krantz & Associates. We're at a newly built home, and let's go check it out. Situated on a spacious corner lot, this 2,200 square foot gem has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, giving you plenty of space and privacy. Step inside and check out the open living room seamlessly flowing into the kitchen and dining area. This kitchen is finished with soft closed maple cabinets, sleek granite countertops, and you get to choose your own backsplash to make it your own style. The master bathroom is a dream with its custom tile walk-in shower. Life-proof flooring throughout means you get durability without sacrificing style. It's low maintenance and it looks great. Step outside to the covered rear deck with Trex flooring. It's a great spot for hanging out and having a barbecue with your friends and family. For any questions or to schedule your own private tour, give us a call at 573-302-2355. Buckingham Estates has so much more to offer too, like swimming pools, tennis courts, and a clubhouse. There's always something to do here.